The Sonoma County Coastal Rainwater Catchment and Forbearance Project developed 21 rainwater catchment systems as an alternative water source, leaving more water in the creeks and ground for the endangered Central California coast coho salmon across these three watersheds: Austin Creek, Russian Gulch, and South Fork Gualala River. Stream flow in small creeks and tributaries are critical for juvenile fish, which remain in the creeks during the hot summer months. Direct diversions from creeks, springs, and groundwater pumping draw from the same watersheds that juvenile coho rely on to survive. Between 2018 and 2021, the Coastal Rainwater Project installed 48 rainwater catchment tanks, providing 240,000 gallons of rainwater storage for 21 landowners across the three watersheds. The project participants have agreed to use the water during the driest summer months and to reduce their existing water source use by the same amount for a period of 20 years. 240,000 gallons of water will now remain in the watersheds annually, which adds up to 4.8 million gallons of water over the life of the project.